Welcome to XyPractica. In this video, we'll be demonstrating Experiment 10, the protein test. Let's begin the protein test. First, a test tube holder, a protein test sample, Biuret reagent, a test tube, and a dropper. First, open the cap of the test tube. Then, using the dropper, take a sample of the liquid and transfer it into the test tube. Now, carefully add a few drops of Biuret reagent to the test tube. Gently mix it well. Observe the color change. The shift from blue to violet indicates proteins are present. Thank you for watching.